I love making cake pops, as I said, and my mom made this vanilla cake recipe, and I always use this recipe. And we're just gonna break this up into pieces. This is all of our stuff we're gonna need for the frosting. It's unsalted butter, pack of cream cheese. You'd probably underestimate how much you need. You kind of need a lot. For our chocolate, we're gonna be using the Maru coconut milk. I don't really love that much of a dark tasting cake pop, so I'm gonna add another milk chocolate just to balance things out. I normally just mix my own.
That's really good.
And I feel like adding the milk and cream cheese, it makes it a frosting, because normally it's more of just a buttercream, but now it's an actual frosting.
Okay, so what does dipping them in chocolate first do?
It's gonna like freeze them in place so it's a lot easier.
Oh,
Oh, that is clever.
Freezer time.
They're big.
Oh,